Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you camera tips and tricks for the OnePlus Nord CE free Lite. So first of all, we can take photos by using the volume buttons. They are located on the left side, and just take a look. When you click volume up or volume down, screen blinks and it means that we take photo. When you click one of this button, click and hold, take a look. As you can see, we can take series of the photos. But it only works basically with the volume up button. Next, we are also able to customize function of this button. So we have to click on the three lines in the right upper corner, then tap on the settings. Next, we have to scroll down and find volume button action and switch to zoom, and take a look how great it works. Right now, we can click and hold volume up to zoom in. And that's, by the way, the quality of the zoom actually really good. We can find a lot of details. And click and hold volume down to zoom out. Next, we are also able to adjust brightness level by tapping on the screen and move this sun icon on the right or the left side. To do this automatically, we can just click on the screen once. Next, we can also click right here to enable camera timer between 3 or 10 seconds. And when we tap right here, we are able to take high resolution photos with the more details. That's the 108 megapixel mode. So it's useful when you want to get more details on the photos. When you go to the settings, we can enable, for example, the grid lines and the camera leveler. And as you can see right now, it appears on the screen and it helps us to take better composition on the photos. When you go back, we can go for the shading methods, where we can find tap to capture and show palm of the hand. So the tap to capture works like that. You can just click on the screen and the photo will be taken. And the palm feature, you just have to basically switch to the selfie camera and then show the palm of the hand. But as you can see, it's not working properly. It's not taking the photo. So, okay, right now it takes, but as you can see, it's not working good. It's not working all the time. This feature is definitely better on the Samsung phones right here. It works basically terrible. And it's the same for the Oppo and the Realme phones. So I don't recommend you to use this feature because it's basically broken. It's not working. That's also the quick launch feature. That's really great. When you lock the screen and then quickly tap volume down button, you will open the camera up. I mean volume up. And as you can see, there we are. When you open the more modes, you can find, for example, the dual video mode. And this mode allows us to capture video from the two cameras at the same time. So from the selfie camera and from the rear camera. You are also able to switch layout. You can get picture in the picture in the right upper corner, square or bubble. And as you can see, that's all for this video. That's all camera tips and tricks for the OnePlus Nord CE free Lite. Hope you like it.